The prevailing economic hardships in Nigeria has triggered a multitude of crises across society from both an economic and social standpoint. Recently, domestic and gender-based violence have surged, exacerbated by economic hardships following the removal of the fuel subsidy. Experts emphasize that urgent action is needed to address and reduce these rising incidents. Trust TV's Jimmy Atzande brings us more.
According to a 2019 survey by the Nigerian National Bureau of Statistics, 30% of Nigerian women aged 15 to 49 have experienced physical violence, and a staggering 68% have encountered emotional, economic, or sexual abuse. These figures highlight the link between the surge in abuse and Nigeria's current economic climate. Benue residents report that much of this crisis stems from the pressure on the breadwinners, mostly men, who are also vulnerable to the economic challenges. The high cost of goods and services, coupled with meager wages and limited financial resources, are early warning signs of broken homes.
All she wanted, that he must go out there and get something. And where is he getting it from? Today we find ourselves in society that even the ones that are educated, they are earning salary. Is the salary enough to take care of their families? This is issue feeding. The health matter is there. Education is there, which is key for our children.
Some are not in charge of their homes because they have refused to speak out the ills. Domestic violence begins from your silence. You need to speak out. There are cases even in Benue, across the states, where women have been violated on several occasions and they have kept quiet. And by the time they have the mention of this, is usually too late. Women should stop coming up when it is rather too late.
In light of this, there are universal laws guiding the conduct of men and women that must be applied. Legal experts emphasize that ignorance of the law is never an excuse.
Now, other countries have gone ahead to, as a matter of fact, legislate or put in place legal framework that demystify all forms of barriers against women. And I think that is what we need as a country.
Cases of divorce are mounting in courtrooms as many families struggle to maintain their previous standard of living, and spouses find it tough to adapt to the current economic realities. Jimmy Atzande, Trust TV News, Makurdi.